So over here you can see that I have this image right here, and if I were to go around over here and then go to image and then go to image size right here, then I can simply go around, change around the image size right here just like this. So if I were to go around, then the pixels of the image get stretched right here. But let's say I want to go around and change around the canvas size right here. That means I do not want to go around and change the image, but I want to change around the canvas that the image is in. In that case, you can go around onto image right here, and here you can see that canvas size is an option. If I were to go around onto canvas size, then you can go around and type this in. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and type in 1000 right here, just like this, then what I can do is I can go around and keep the image that I have wherever I want right here. This is in pixels, as you can see, and if I were to go around and press OK, then this is what I have, as you can see. If I were to go around onto image and then if I were to go around onto canvas size, then I can go around and add in another pixel as well, just like this, press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can change around the canvas size inside a Photopea so that the image size remains as it is and the work area that you have actually increases, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.